Good morning, everyone, from Universal Epic Universe. We have returned for more epic updates from the ground level. We are coming to you from the Stella Nova Resort. We hopped aboard one of the new EV buses. I parked my car over at City Walk and then came on over here. We're gonna start things off taking a look around the hotel, get some bird's eye views of the park and the progress being made, and then go for a little ground tour from the roadways that pass directly by the park, which you should be accustomed to if you have been watching my channel for a while. So I'm excited to be back. Let's hop things over. It's a beautiful day, a little chilly this morning, but it's gonna warm up as the day progresses. But anyway, guys, let's just get the video rolling. Okay, wanted to quickly hop out here to the pool area to just show you around. As you know, we were here opening day about 2 months ago. Not sure when this video is gonna go out, but it's coming up on 2 months. It's a lot better weather today than it was when we were here. People are actually enjoying the pool. That is something we did not get to do when we were staying. Not gonna be doing it today. You need a room key for that. But what I quickly wanted to mention, when we hopped into the hotel, the first thing we had to do was quickly check out the store to see if there were any new updates at all. From what I could tell, most of the stuff is actually found now over in City Walk at the Preview Center. But they do have the new interactive wands that just came out earlier this week. So if you want some of the new 2.0 interactive wands before making your way to the park, you can do so right here at the Stella Nova, and I'm sure some of the other hotels have them as well that you can pick up depending where you are staying. But now let's head on up to the top floor as promised to capture some of those updates for you.
It's me looking down on me. The world above must also be. This could go on for infinity. Color coded just to keep me sane. My world is finally starting to take shape. I press the button and it bursts into life.
We got a lot of great shots from up there. A lot of rides testing. We saw Donkey Kong, we saw Stardust Racers after a long time of waiting. So we're gonna see if we can catch that again from down here. But now we're gonna take a little stroll away from the hotel and circle around from down here on the ground level and see what else we could see. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And, you know, put on our walking shoes. Gonna be quite the hike, but that's okay. We're accustomed to doing this. So let's go and start that up and do that right now. Probably nearly impossible to pick up on camera, but just walking around you can actually hear and get a little snippet of the area loop music that plays in Celestial Park right from where I'm standing. Oh, we're so close, guys. You would get a much better listen to the soundtrack if you were over there on the other side of the street. Not gonna cross that. That is park property, so I'm not gonna do that. You're just gonna have to take my word for it and try to listen in from over here, because it is, well, one word can only describe it. It is truly epic. Very different now from earlier. Stardust is actually testing consistently. The only thing is that it's only one side. I'm still waiting to see if they want to duel them today. I've caught them dueling before, but never on video for the channel. So we'll see if that happens, and if not, we still got lots of footage of at least one side running. And there it is, right there. It says valet. You turn right, and it's right there, just to the right of where the bus loop is. The bus loop's down that way. So just to the right of it, and there's valet. Now I think a lot of people are wondering how you're gonna get to the park when it opens. You're gonna come down on Epic Boulevard, which is where I'm standing, and from this perspective, you'll be turning left into the parking lot right over there. So it is separate from the current Universal Resort. About maybe 12 minutes away, 12 minutes like southeast of Universal Orlando. They have lots of signs around kind of directing you which way to go, so it shouldn't be hard to find it. But right now it's being utilized for team member previews, so all the team members getting to preview the park today and basically all week. I decided to head back. I don't really feel the need to go all the way down to Destination Parkway, where we have captured footage of the park before. I have lots of footage from over there, but it's time to head on back over to the Stella Nova to hop aboard the bus to head back to City Walk to wrap up our day and head home. A very exhausting day, an early start. It's coming in at about 2:30 right now, so I've spent a majority of my day here at the Stella Nova and walking around Epic Boulevard, but it was a fun day capturing some more content for you guys. I always enjoy what I do. I wouldn't be doing this if I didn't love it. So hopefully you've enjoyed our little stroll around the park today. Epic Universe coming along May 22nd, cannot come soon enough. We had a great time capturing the park from up there on the top of the Stella Nova, and then rounding it out by walking from the ground level around Epic property. And so if you want to come and do what I basically did, just, you know, respect the rules, don't be an idiot, you know, don't cross any boundaries. But guys, that's all I've got for you right here. Be sure to subscribe, like the video for more if you enjoyed it, all that cheesy stuff that YouTubers say, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Have a terrific day.